ready for the tsunami alert, Del?
Yes.
What are you going to do? What's your strategy?
I was talking to a surfer. He said he was out at Princecliff on his board, and no surfer, he found himself being dragged in the shore like that.
Oh, you
And
think
then
so?
he was dragged out again.
Right.
So he was on the boat.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Maybe it's been gone. So Josh, no rain, no wind,
Yeah, we're laughing.
but guess what? We've got a tsunami alert.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
From Tonga?
From Tonga, yeah. Have a look at the bomb.
Oh my god.
Like,
And the nippers, imagine a tsunami with the nippers.
of all the things.
A tsunami warning.
Tsunami
What
warning.
time did that go out?
5 to 6 this morning.
On the east coast of Australia?
Yeah,
Wow.
all along. We've got this tsunami warning from the bomb. Marine threat tsunami warning is current for New South Wales. Issued at 7:53 a.m. The first one was at 5 to 7 on Sunday the 16th of January. There is a marine tsunami warning current for New South Wales. And there it is there. It's the whole coast. Everyone's waiting and watching. Is it coming? We will see. There's always something going on here. Welcome to Manly Markets 2095. Manly is the first beach north of Sydney Harbour and can easily be reached by ferry, car or bus. My name is Mark and I've been running the Manly Markets for 10 years now, and I have over 30 years retail experience in the surf industry, which has really helped me understand the markets business overall. Each week I'm going to show you all around our markets, including how we run them, introduce our stallholders, show you around Manly and interview some locals along the way. Please subscribe and enjoy our weekly shows every Friday. Xander's another one of our markets team, and you've been working here how long?
Mid-3.
About 3 years or something like that. So how old are you now?
I'm 17.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah.
And you've enjoyed the job?
Yeah, it's been the best. Such a good job. Such a good experience.
What do you like about it?
Atmosphere, just I don't know what the word is, like how wholesome I guess the whole
Wow.
markets are and stuff.
I
And
like it.
yeah.
You're okay with the early start, 7 a.m. start?
Yeah, absolutely. It's
And what
fine.
do you do? Go for a surf later?
Yeah, schoolwork. So whatever.
No, it's
Yeah.
been good having you on the team.
Thank you so much,
Keep
Mark.
up the good work.
Yeah.
Oh, the tsunami.
I haven't had much practice in that one.
Yeah. Well, isn't it funny? The whole surf tunnel sets up along the beach, and then they announce the beach is closed because of the tsunami.
Is that what they said?
Yeah. You hear the
They
beach is
announced it.
closed because of the tsunami warning.
bikes for like 3 weeks. Alright, here we are with Mark.
Hey Mark, how you going?
Yeah, good Mark. He's the longboard guy. He's in front of his shop, Manly Longboard Co. It's Institution of Manly, Mark. How long have you been doing the shop?
We've been in this spot since cut.
Alright, we'll keep rolling. I'll edit that out.
Yeah.
How long has the shop been going overall?
Okay, we've had the Manly Longboard concept going for 27 years this year. This shop behind us is our 5th place where we've been. We've been on South Stain, Belgrave Street, Market Lane, the Corso, and now we moved here about 7 years ago as well.
Right, we're in Sydney Road, which is where the markets are. And I know you're a big supporter of the markets. What does it do for your shop?
It's the good thing about the market. It's very well run, thanks to yours truly.
Thank you.
And since I think they paved Sydney Road here, I think it's about 5 or 6 years ago, and the good thing about that was it got rid of the grotty old street, and it allowed the market to sort of come up out the front of our shop, which was great. And it just brings, we've got the young girl here setting up today to play a few tunes, and it just brings a vibe. It brings people up here, and it's just a win-win. We do notice when it's not on that there's not as much vibe in the street and that sort of stuff, so it's just a win-win situation for everyone. So
yeah,
we're very happy with the Manly market.
Yeah, it's all about atmosphere, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
And how's this summer going for you?
Summer's been pretty good. We've had a good summer thanks to the loyalty of the local residents, I suppose you'd call them, and they've just really supported local business, which has been fantastic. Because we haven't had we rely a lot on overseas travellers, obviously, to come and get, we are a surf shop, but we are a /souvenir shop as well. We sort of cross over. We're kind of a softcore surf shop.
Nothing wrong with that.
No, we found our niche, and we leave. So I've gone on a bit of a diversion here, but we leave the hardcore surf to the Alohas and trimming wets of the world.
Yes.
And and what they do is fantastic. And we've just found our little niche in Manly is mainly selling, clothing, longboard wear to people all ages.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
It. No,
it's
good.
like Bondi. Everything's got Bondi written on it
exactly.
over there. Manly is an iconic location.
Yeah.
First beach north of Sydney Harbour.
Yeah.
And why not? You do a good job.
The mob loves it. I've been hand printing t-shirts all morning this morning. I've just dropped off 3 boxes. I grew up in Manly, which is a bit of a plus. Surfed at South Stain all my life and that sort of thing, and went to school at Balgala Boys. And I think because there's so many new people into Manly, they think it's good that, hey, someone that actually grew up here still has a shop here and still connects with the community and that sort of thing. And it's kind of grassroots, old school, which they like.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Unlike those other people that sell out and move on and
exactly
end up doing other jobs like running markets.
Exactly, they do very well out of previous ventures. But back to your question about summer. No, it's been a really good summer.
Oh, that's great.
And thanks to the loyalty of the Manly and Northern Beaches community, it's been fantastic.
And any time to get in the water yourself?
Not as much as I should. I've got no excuses, but just doing other things, and I still get out there occasionally, but I think the body's getting a bit old and that sort of stuff. And
I know what you mean.
Yeah, when I turned 50, not that that means anything, I just kind of lost the passion a bit for surfing.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
So we go to Hawaii once a year, and I get out there and have a little surf over there, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic, but yeah, I'll get back into it soon.
Good on you, mate.
Just go off in different directions, and started playing music about 10 years ago, and that was something else to focus on, and we started bands and that sort of stuff. So surfing just took a bit of a back seat, you know. But it's always there. I've still got X amount of surfboards stashed away, longboards, shortboards, all sorts of boards, and it's just a matter of time till I, you know, dust them off and get back into it.
Do it when you want to.
Exactly,
That's
which is
all.
the plan.
Awesome. Great. Thanks, Mark.
No worries, Mark. Thanks for the chat. Love your work.
Here we are with two of our finest workers.
Right.
And here we are. Got Cam on the left, Matt on the right. You guys have done a fair while now, haven't you?
About a year?
Years, yeah.
What's Matt done? A couple of years, haven't you?
Yeah, it's 3 years.
Yeah, Matt's grown about 1.5 feet since he got here. What were you, 12 when you started? Or? 12, yeah, and now you're 15.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. And these guys turn up 7 AM every weekend. And right now we're just waiting for, we've got a rain delay, and it should pass pretty quickly. So these guys will rip in, put the gazebos out first, then the tables, and then just a couple of umbrellas. We don't have many umbrellas these days, which is good news for you guys, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So what do you like about the job?
It's nice. It's nice. It's quick and easy. Get it out of the way early in the morning, and just it's a bit of, it's almost a workout before to get your day started right. I guess on a weekend, you know, get out of bed and do something.
Really
Get
is.
paid for it.
Gets you up early.
It's 7 o'clock early. Oh, what time do you get up? You got to be here at 7. What time do you actually get out of bed?
Oh, I get up at 6.
It's insane.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Go to 6, ride down.
You have breakfast before you get here?
No time for that.
No time.
No time for that.
Go to 11
No
a.m.
time. What are you doing your hair and stuff, are you? What's the
Hair and makeup.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah. I gotta jump on a bike and ride down, so
yeah,
takes a
right.
while.
Okay, all right, boys. I think the rain is staying away, so we might rip in.
Awesome.
What do you say?
Let's do it.
Let's get into it.
What are you going to do if a tsunami comes?
I'll probably be standing up there, I reckon.
I reckon up there would be a good call. I'll be up there all day running the markets. So have you heard about the tsunami?
Yeah, I got so many messages in the morning from Turkey. They say, "Are you alright?
No way.
Be careful today. It's coming. It's gonna get you."
Oh, that's good. They're looking out for you.
Be lucky.
Excellent.
You did well with your weather forecast yesterday. You were spot on. You were better than the forecasters. There's a job for you when you retire from here.
Oh gosh, I'll be well and truly
Oh,
retired. I'll be worn out and dead, I think, by the time I get over all this weather forecasting here.
No, I was surprised. I thought you'd get it wrong, but you didn't.
Oh, thank you. So what about today's warning? Have you heard?
Oh, the tsunami last night.
This morning, there's a bombs put out a tsunami warning here for Manly in New
Yeah.
South Wales.
Yeah, it was out last night. I went down to the beach to have a look to see.
No,
Chimney-
it's there now.
What?
It's still a tsunami alert.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still coming through. That's what we were debating last night, is the tsunami warning came out. A friend rang me up and said, get on your kayak with a light and go out and film it. And I said, what are you talking about? And he said, I looked up the newspaper and there's a tsunami warning. I said, what the heck?
Great mate.
But yeah. But I said, I'm on the 3rd floor, so I'm all right.
Good stuff. Well, that wraps up another weekend, and the results were good mostly. Everyone seemed to have a good trading weekend, and the tsunami never came, but they're still sending out alerts. Tsunami warning is still in place, but it's not coming, I don't think. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next weekend.